Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to update your older classrooms to the new version of Google Classroom. You will be able to add the Classwork page to your older classes. First, you need to sign into your Google for Education account, and you can click on the Apps Launcher and click on the Classroom icon in the drop-down list, or up at the URL address bar, you can type classroom.google.com and hit enter. Once you get to the class card page, go into the older classroom that needs to be updated. As you can see here, I do not have the Classwork page, and I need to update this classroom. At the bottom left corner, I'm going to click on the question mark and select Add Classwork Page from the drop-down menu. I'm going to click Update. And now the Classwork page is included and updated into my Google Classroom. I hope you found this screencast helpful.